Hello, in front of me I've got RedMagic controller. In this video I'll show you how to pair it with app. In the beginning, connect your controller with smartphone. And once it's done, go to Go Pair app. You can download it from Play Store. Select Add Device, Handle, RedMagic Shadow Blade. Allow, and tap Done. Now your controller is connected. Thanks to the app, you can add games, perform handle test, manage key function settings. You can switch between Xbox and Switch layout. Check firmware version and disconnect. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.